Today we'll be going over our receipt scanner for expenses. This is designed to help owners like yourself effortlessly keep your books accurate and organized. This will save you time from manual data entry and ensure that you're always on top of your expenses so that you're always ready for tax time. When using FreshBooks on a computer, under the Expense tab, click New Expense, upload receipt, and choose a PDF, JPEG, or PNG image from your computer and follow the prompts to upload your receipt. If you are using a mobile device, after clicking the Expense tab, you can click on the camera icon to either take a picture of your receipt right then and there, or click the image icon to select an image from your gallery that you may have already taken. In addition to uploading your expense images directly on your device, you can also email your receipts to your personal email, which will automatically gather the receipt information to be reviewed later. Your personal email can be found on the browser version of FreshBooks by clicking on Expenses, Uploads, and viewing the email address in the banner above. This is especially useful if you collaborate with employees who submit expenses, or if your merchant offers receipts by email. One tip I might suggest is either having you or your employees save the email address as a contact on your device for easy access. It is also important to note that each email should only contain one receipt. Once the receipt is uploaded, either in FreshBooks directly or by using the custom email, you'll now need to review and submit the expenses before the expenses get officially created. On a computer or browser, you can access the review page by clicking Expenses, Uploads, and Review beside each expense. Reviewing expenses can also be done on your mobile device by clicking the Review Receipt banner located on the Expense tab. On this review page, you will see fields pertaining to different information that FreshBooks can pull from your receipt. This includes a merchant, a category, date, currency, tax amount, grand total, and description. Though we do try to pull as much information from the receipt as possible, some information may need to be filled out by you manually. The review process is a great opportunity to make sure that the information is accurate. And once you are satisfied, click Create to finalize the expense.